Okay, graph 2x plus 4y is greater than or equal to -8. This is a linear inequality. So if we're going to graph this thing, let's find out what the intercepts are, all right? In other words, what is the value of x when y is 0? So you have 2x plus 4 times y is -8, where y is this number right here, 0. 2x plus 4 times 0 is 0. 2x plus 0 is, and divide everything by 2, you'll have this divided by 2 is x. -8 divided by 2 is -4. So when y is 0, x is -4. So that's one point called the x-intercept. Another easy point is when x is 0, find the value of y. So in place of x, plug a 0, and then bring down the 4y and -8. Plug a 0 in here. That's going to give you 0 plus 4y, which is 4y. Then when we divide by 4, we're going to get y is -8 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. -8 divided by 4, -2. So the point 0, -2. So I have my two intercepts to graph. Okay? The first point is -4, 0, which is going to be right over here. Then the next point, 0 minus 2, you're down 2 on the y-axis. And if you draw a box to these, you're going down 2, but you're going over 4. So it looks like the slope is -2/4 because we're sloping upward to the left is a negative slope. Anyway, if I do that again, if I go down 2 and over 4, there'd be another point right here. Draw your line. Don't forget your slope is what? You're going up 2 and over 4 to the left, all right? And that's going to be 1/2, isn't it? -1/2 is the slope, all right? Anyway, this is my line, and you fill in the line because it's greater than or equal to. My favorite point to test is 5, 5. You can test 0, 0 or 5, 5. If you put 0 in here for the x and y, you'll get 0 is bigger than -8. That's true. But just for fun of it, let's put in a 5 for the x and a 5 for the y. Okay? Put in 5 for the x, put 5, it's 2 times x, and 4 times y. We're getting 10 and 20, and that's 30, which is bigger than -8. Okay, so both 0, 0 and 5, 5 work. So we're going to darken in this side on this side of the line. And this is the graph of this inequality.